So let's see how to make money with Skool. If you didn't create your Skool community right now, just check the first link in the description below, click it, name your group or community, add your card number, and start your 14 days free trial. You can cancel anytime later down the road, then click start free trial. After you are in the community, your own community, Skool, you have multiple ways of monetizing your Skool community. So the first one is to make the community like me totally for free, but then charge a price for the classes and the courses within the community. So how you do that is you create a new course and then you can click buy now and you can set a one-time fee for a course. So the community is free, you get free traffic within the community, but when you you can make the first two or one course for free and then funnel them into the paid course here. So that's how you do it, the one way to funnel them down into paid courses within the classroom. So after they pay, they have just a one-time payment and they get access to one of your courses, or it can be just a little as a PDF file they can download after accessing it, like for $9, $7, whatever. So this is how you monetize it within the classroom itself. Uh, the other way would be to go under settings, then into your communities, then you go admin here, and then go under pricing. How you do it, like as of right now, I'm on the my community is free, but I can add a price tag and say I want to charge for the community 99 a month, offer monthly only, and then just click add. After you added it, you will see it like this here, 99 a month. And then you just need one member to join your paid community to pay off your monthly fee of community. If this is the way you want to go around and already have a community established, you can easily do the 99 a month. When you have traffic from outside Skool, like YouTube, Instagram, and so on, you can make it instantly like the higher price, but therefore you can keep like the Skool community totally for free, because you can pay off the Skool community subscription. So these are the main ways how you can monetize. You can structure it to make the community paid or free, or you can turn a free community into a paid one by just changing here, make it current. You know, you can now, if I make this current, this will be my current price. When someone joins, this will say that he has to pay 94.49 a month to join my Skool community. So you can make it for free for a amount of time, and later on then change it to higher prices, or so on. You get the point. So don't miss out on the opportunity. Join the link in the description below if you want to start your community now. If you already started, this is how you make them actual money within Skool.